Welcome to Park Hop Creations. Please like and subscribe down below for more videos and more content. We're here for a quick update today on everything happening with DC Universe and Christmas at the park.
Thank you.
Happy Sunday, December 19th. We are here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. Gonna check out what's going on. Lots of construction, lots of Christmas stuff. I'll see what's changed. Look at, there's no line for the funnel cakes.
We're going right now.
What time is it?
Almost 11.
11 o'clock. No line for the funnel cakes. How is it? It's like apple pie, funnel cake, caramel, whipped cream, ice cream. What is this dust on it?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Flakes.
Yeah, like cinnamon graham cracker flakes. Like what a crust would be. It's good though. No, it's really, really good. Nighttime shows. There's a s'mores station right there. And the Golden Bear Theater, all decked out for Christmas. How adorable. Holiday in the park. And there's a tree, or one of them. It's pretty early. There's still not a lot of people here, but great picture spot. I don't know if there's any shows though. Super cute though. In case you don't know where the Golden Bear Theater is, it's right across from Bugs Bunny World and Santa's Cottage. Used to be known as DC Universe, DC Land area. Not there now. They still have the old Wonder Woman lasso of truth, but I'm really hoping they're gonna rip that down too. They ripped down the Flash. I wouldn't mind a really good Green Lantern ride, not like the one they used to have, considering we just got a peek of the Green Lantern. Took a picture with him. I'll post it. Super sweet. I do look really good in green. I'm gonna have to get a Green Lantern sweatshirt. I mean, really, how awesome is that? The ring chooses you? It's a sweet character. Let's see if I could get above. Find a vantage point where I could see beyond the walls. And right beyond the old DC Universe, we go down into Steampunk land, which is now all decorated for Christmas. I love this steampunk area. The theming, I think, is really good.
We're not
Excellent picture spot. Glampunk district. Gleampunk? Oh wow, you could tell I am educated. How adorable. Babe, I want to get a picture of you in that. Okay. No Christmas shows. Missed the mark on there. That is the craziest menorah I've ever seen. Scary, happy, jolly, odd-looking snowman. All right, so I'm at the highest spot I could find to look at what used to be DC Universe. It's all completely walled off. The Flash ride is gone, completely flattened. The pizza place that used to be there, I believe I heard that it was also gone. That makes sense to me. Wonder Woman Lasso of Truth is still there. I don't know why. It shouldn't be. Right there. And I think, but this little black right there, you see the Gotham sign right there, and then next to it, that's where the pizza place would have been. And it looks like nothing's there. So I don't know what the plan is for DC Universe. I'm just glad it's finally getting the love it deserves. See if we can find out more information. All right, I'm over here by Hall of Justice. And for those of you that haven't found out from other videos, the new Wonder Woman ride is coming all the way this way. It's a single rail roller coaster. From what I understand, super smooth. And on a side note, for all of us Disney people that notice trash cans at Disneyland, Magic Mountain got new trash cans. I know it's silly, but you know, it's the little things. Whew. That is Riddler's Revenge. Stand-up roller coaster. I don't see people on it, so maybe it's still testing. Hall of Justice was down for a real long time. I heard rumors of what the reasons were, but I didn't hear anything concrete. But it is reopened. We're gonna be going on that right now. Oh yeah, the pizza place is for sure gone. You can see the store from here. Again, the DC Universe store. The pizza place used to be right in front of that.
The Axis headquarters for the Justice League. We've called you here to help with a dangerous situation that's taking place out on the streets of Metropolis. Lex Luthor has teamed up with the Joker to take control of the city by wiping out the Justice League. Between Luthor's master plan and the Joker's random attacks, they've ambushed us at every turn. Luthor has used his vast resources to monitor each member of the Justice League and exploit our individual weaknesses.
The Joker has been wreaking havoc citywide to distract members of the Justice League, while Luthor takes them down one by one. Supergirl, the Flash, and Green Lantern have already been captured. Only Superman...
The underground is all dressed up for Christmas. West Coast Racers.
Stand right here.
Oh, cars and Christmas. You can't go wrong. Oh, look how awesome that tree looks. So last year, we drove through all of this. They had a drive-through Christmas event. This year we get to walk through. The underground is their newest land here at Magic Mountain, where you find West Coast racers. I love it. And they have the Magic Mountain bus. I remember back in the day when it was parked in the front. Awesome photo opportunity right here. All they need is that dancing old guy. We're here during the day and it's cool. I can only imagine how great it'll look at night. These areas right here are s'more station. They're located throughout the park. And in the evening, they build fires and you make s'mores. Oh, and there's my shadow. Hi. It's actually pretty cool. Smells like a campfire. I'm right here at, oh, I forget what they call this spot, but it's where you get in line for Tatsu. Here you can see the old paint job. The new paint job is orange and green. It's on part of the coaster. They're gonna finish after the holidays. Very Nickelodeon, but it's cool. There's another one of those s'more stations. And I am about ready to order from here because they have renamed it Mrs. Claus Kitchen currently for the holidays because we have the meal plan. Just a quick reminder, mobile order. Learn how to use the app and mobile order. Those people have been waiting in line since I sat down. I did a mobile order. The window was open immediately and we have food. So learn mobile order, even at Magic Mountain. There are photo ops randomly placed throughout the park. Holiday in the park. Here's one right here. And by all the bears as you go up to Viper and X2. These I'm sure all look great at night. Coming down the mountain, we see Revolution, Tatsu, the merry-go-round, and where they have ripped out this nasty bathroom. I wouldn't even use it anymore. I'm glad they just totally grounded it. I don't know if they're going to be building a new bathroom or just leveling it and making it nothing. I don't know. But I'm just really happy to see all the improvements because they really, really needed to put some money into something other than just a roller coaster here. How cute are our littles? Look at these littles. stop to look at the merch. They do have holiday in the park stuff. Cute. I like this mug. That's a cute mug. And a cute toothpick holder. They did get some new Looney Tunes merch as well. In all sizes. I wanted that shirt for a while. And they finally have my size. And they have Marvin the Martian. Best part about Magic Mountain merch, we get 50% off. Because we're Diamond members, Diamond Elite. Membership's the way to go. Ooh, I need to get an ornament for this shirt too. Oh, sorry I sound muffled. Masked inside. And that wraps up our day here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. Just a quick visit. Wanted to see all the holiday happenings and see what Christmas looked like in the park. Love to come back in the evening and see it all lit up. I'm really excited for DC Universe. Can't wait to see what's in store for them. Until then, Merry Christmas.